Hello, welcome to this problem. Okay, so this problem is about factorization, but I think it's rather advanced, this one. Okay, not that elementary. So we try to finish this question part by part. First of all, for part A, okay, so 4m squared minus 9. So difference of two squares, okay, by rewriting 4m squared minus 9, okay, as difference of two perfect square. So 4m squared, so that would be the square of 2m. And then a squared minus b squared, so that would be a plus b, a minus b. So in part B, so 2m squared n plus 7mn minus 15n. So this expression, okay, of course, okay, it consists of three terms. But you need to check, okay, so this expression is not quadratic. It's not quadratic, okay? So that's why here, okay, we need to do something, okay, before we can try the formula O1 or the cross method. Okay, so now observing that, okay, the three terms, okay, all consist of the common factor n. So that's why we need to take out the common factor n. And then you can see the remaining factor 2m squared plus 7m minus 15. So it's finally quadratic. Finally quadratic. So that's why, okay, we can use the cross method, okay, to handle the remaining factor only. Okay. Of course, okay, I will try to use the splitting. Okay, so by splitting the term plus 7m into minus 3m plus 10m. Okay, minus 3 plus 10 equals to plus 7. And then for the remaining factor, okay, so the first group, the common factor is m, remaining factor 2m minus 3. So, and then for the second group, the common factor is 5, and then the remaining factor would be 2m minus 3. So, the common factor, okay, will be 2m minus 3, and then the remaining factor n plus 5. And that's the answer for part B. Okay, quite complicated. Part C. So 4m squared minus 9. So the first two terms, okay, already exactly the same with part A. So for the first group, okay, so of course, okay, we try to 2m plus 3, 2m minus 3. Okay, so, and then the second group, okay, so you can see, okay, the sign, okay, connecting the two parts, okay, will be a minus sign. So now here, okay, so I would like to take out the negative one. Okay, the negative one as the common factor. Okay, so that would be plus 7mn minus 15m. And then you can see finally, okay, the final factors, okay, the final factor, okay, of the second group, okay, will be exactly the same as that in part B. And then we can use the answer from part B. Okay, so that will be minus m, 2m plus 3, 2m minus 3 times n plus 5. Okay, so and then you can see that 2m minus 3, okay, will be the common factor. So we try to take out the common factor 2m minus 3, okay, from the two groups of the terms, and then try to put all the remaining factors, okay, the remaining terms, okay, in a square bracket. Okay, and then we try to tidy up the remaining factor in a square bracket. Now, so 2n plus 3, just copy, and then minus n times n plus 5. Okay, we can use the distributive property of multiplication. So there will be minus m n and then minus 5n. And that's the final answer. Okay, and then the problem is done. Thank you for watching.